Alright guys, welcome back. We got a new video, we got a new mod for the 86. We're going to be changing the old tail lights out the back. I don't like the stock ones, I don't really like them. But these are lights I've been wanting to have on my 86 for ages, and I finally bought them. They're like a red smoked. Oh, you've seen. But they're the red smoked sequential tail light. And I just don't like the clear lenses on them stuff on. Alright, so I think we gotta undo this. It's like a boot liner. Just gotta peel it back and there's a few clips to undo. These little clips here that are holding the cables on, and then just unbolt the I think there's 4 bolts holding them on. It should just come straight out. You got yours, Con? So that doesn't work, that's great. Yeah, so there's one. What can we talk about while we do? Oh, I hit 600 subscribers even though I don't upload ever.
Squeeze on both sides.
There we go. So unclip that one and then do the same the other side. There we go. We've unbolted everything. I think if we just, it'll be a little bit stuck, but there you go. And there's the old one.
How easy to run?
Alright, so these are the new lights. Come from, I bought them off eBay, but they come from some CT auto, camel toe auto parts or something. Something like that. But they come with these protectors on for the, that one. There we go. And I think that stays on it, doesn't it? You reckon it stays on? There might be like the seal or something, so it doesn't get water in. And right here, that switch we have here is because we can choose if we want to have a sequential blink, just like the one that goes like that, or if we just want a normal blink where the lights flash. So we'll feed the lights, the wires through. Should just be like that. That looks so mad. These lights are actually kind of hard to find. Not the brand's like quite popular, but you can get like smoked black or like a clear version. But the smoked red, I couldn't even find them on their website. Even though the website is in Japanese, I couldn't find red or even in any other website. But these ones on eBay I found from that CT Auto Parts. Comment down below on what you reckon we should do next to this car, because I'm down for ideas. I was actually going to get a carbon fibre boot with a carbon fibre duckbill lip on it, but I haven't heard back from the guy yet if he wants to sell it. But if I get that will make this car look so good. But yeah, comment down below what we should do, because I don't know what else I want to do next. So that was a pretty easy install. That it took half an hour maybe. Probably shouldn't have taken that long, but it did. Close the boot. I'm in love with these lights, I love them. Yeah, let's fire it up, see what so we've installed it, turned the lights on, it looks amazing, I love them. But as you can see, the blinkers are just normal blinkers at the moment. So we'll open the liner back up and turn the switch, and we should get sequential lights, which look amazing. Alright, so ready, I'll switch it off now. And that's the sequential. thank you for watching the video. If you guys like the look of the new lights on the 86, make sure to chuck a like on the video for us. And
you know the usual, just if you want us to do something next, make sure you comment down below and just make sure to subscribe.
yeah, no,
Appreciate it.
subscribe to try and get us to 1,000 subscribers. And we'll see you in the next video. Catch us.
Yeah.